cortex model. We also have anatomical models of part of the micron's EM volume, electron microscopy volume, and human cortical electron microscopy volume. Anatomical models, I should stress. So at the moment, these are not simulatable. And as they are standardized, these advanced models can now be easily compared and used with the same tools directly from your web browser. So how can this data be used? Well, the first way is through our standardized workflows. So this is the workflows page. You'll notice that there is a table for browsing the previous workflows you've created, so you can navigate quickly to them from here. You can also duplicate a previous workflow to quickly iterate on a previous workflow. But most importantly, when you first arrive, you choose a category of workflow, such as simulate, and then a type. So I'm going to choose single neuron, beta in this case. Then you select the input data for your task, in this case, a single neuron. You can browse the public and project data, choose one, and then use that model in the workflow. And then you arrive in our standardized workflow view. And this is the one for designing a simulation of a single neuron. But because the user interface is standardized, if you learn what to do here, you learn how to perform any of our workflows, as you'll see with Darshan. But I'll just highlight a single feature of this general user interface that is useful to know about. So any parameter can be scanned over. So if you hit this plus button in one of the fields, you'll be able to fill out multiple values, as I've done here. So this is designed to maximize flexibility. Whatever the workflow, you can scan over any number of different variables. So when everything is done, you'll have all green ticks, and you can hit generate. And this will take you to the next page where you'll see the different coordinates in the scan, so the different simulations in the parameter scan in this case. And you'll see later that you can select a subset of them and launch them, or launch them all at once, and then view the results directly here. And you can quickly iterate by going back to the configurations page, as Darshan will show us. But if you want, remember, we're in the context of your project. So all of the data is written to your project, and everyone in your project can view it. If you want to analyze the data further, you can copy the reference to the campaign in the cloud database and head to the Notebooks tab, where you'll find interesting notebooks for interacting with this data. So that goes into your project data. You can also upload data by hitting this green button here. And of course, there is an AI assistant which can answer questions about the literature, about our data, and it can also design an experiment for you. So